technical meeting following Kotoko game against Young Apostles. Now, the outcome of the technical meeting, Super 24 TV and Saka, yade ho asem kakra ebro e ofie ha. Ghana Football Association a confirm match date for the outstanding league fixture between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Insua Teremai. Ghana Football Association at the confirmed date no ababonten. Overkai not too long ago and part video no. You indicate say game is likely to be on Wednesday, which is weaker a day anima eba no na. Correctly no. Sapepepe and a koye mpenyi for a confirmed game no on 2nd of October and the date here 23rd of September. So enone information kakra ewo ho ewo se yede ma ewo fie ha. Now Kotoko versus Brekum Chelsea no game no akoye 50-50. Ebimo ehu ni say still na the GFA licensing committee for no enko pass eye Brekum City Stadium no. Inti one hwebe koso odoma but an intel ayensa kan say de wo se omoye ewo stadium hu bia no omaya game no ebeba so ewo Brekum Chelsea meno nso ho asem ekakra ewa ha Kumasi Asante Kotoko tenedu nsensem no coach Prosper Ogum edin simbia tudwa regarding the whole debate na obi beka say eye bufuo so no de kasa na because asema oka no kire say am say ne bu ye afu kakra. It is about tenedu Brekum Chelsea game no obebo bia na say ommobi eno nso ho asem kakra ewa ha erebebrɛw ewo fie ha say now Ghana football sensem and the ministry of youth and sports opening Mustafa Edano no or the parliament committee the public accounts committee church and semu now akoye revelation be we mean ka say revelation according to him no opeso chese sika ekubia no eyomunetua but Ghana appointed Otuado no mun senim sa na say there is no place Ghana and I say we are simua the government and appointed coaches the federations federations na and appointment the football federation of that particular country no oko England sisia omo the FA the football association they are responsible for appointing national team coaches just like omoko Iruna coach Southgate free hono omaye new appointment enye English aban e dey appointments no the football association no ono e appointments no inti just applies in every country sana dodo na no Ghana the Ghana Football Association and appointing inti san same way amanfo genentere ha twene gidigidi no enya asema wo se ye twene twintan sa meremani ebe kire takwa ho nso nsem kakra ewo ho se stadium no eni NSF wo nsem na ewo hefo ensem ho asem kakra ewo ha ere bro se two concerts oma line na say omo ko pese omo be concert ewo takwa ho meka concert a musical concert and say any event ebe hosti amanfo ewo stadium ho ho asem na making. Now let me run by the stories with you one after the other. Say Ghana Premier League na ebono 3 coaches na omutikeka say one high be saki omo across of full coach ni ka ho na Adriana Nations FC eko share no 2-1 over the weekend yaw a champion eja egunichem na okọ Domasisia some of the supporters no are calling for the sack of coach Yao Echampo Adriana Stars head coach and only information you breaking news abe fast yes and I'm saying no also me update you nti say no akoye Yao Echampo coach Abubakar Watara omumienu omuti ekeka. The next game across the folk for Bebono, they are coming to Ashanti region. Omone team my friend in Nations FC and ebepem so. Now that particular game, no, it is going to be a do or die for Accra Suffolk head coach because already we're winning against Bichim and Odira this particular game. So when your results are as was no, ebitima Maha Suffolk are taking decision. So game, no, it is going to be the fourth game for Accra Suffolk. Into 4 games, no, you have a possibility of 12 points. Into 4 games. Now when we need side game, no, not still now or 3 points. The information we are gathering is say House of Folk might get rid of Coach Abubakar Watara based on results ebeba or Nations FC match the 4 and match day 4 no accumulated points no would be 12 points into 12 possible points are still now so that 3 points are it is not something good. I was saying my class of folk etwaso ene we adwuma eno information mensa eka coach yawe champion so de aduanafo no hu ni say omoye club every season they start the league well but this season they are not seeing the aduana they know and it is quite shocking to them so no lose to Nations FC. Into some of the supporters and Emma pressure said Mpenifo should get rid of Yao a champion. But Mpenifo asemno omumfa omuti enye yesa. Okodoma aye butu pa ewo ho. Now Kumase Asante Kotoko. After the young apostle game, no, technical meeting so. Emma players no eka coaches no so eka yɛka technical meeting coaches no and a technical meeting but there are input of the players especially oboase akoye new venue no you busa players no about their experience with oboase no na no through and yensa ka outcome na yede ebro no a number of omo hwe game no egitu mu say game ye hwe last Sunday no from screen to be real honest asem way no em say obia mpese obeka ho asem from the screen ye hwe no na pitch no enye sa from the screen from the surface na pitch no enye but players no Kotoko players no after the technical meeting Kumasi Asante Kotoko have following the game no e ka kire IMC ne say Kotoko players ne say the Obuasi pitch is okay for them. It is quite shocking, but sana players neka. Yeah, the ball no ni any pitch no so, but ni who say grass na shada ni green sa. Ena I say ebi atutum kakra pitch no so high green kakra, high kakra, say high brownish kakra, na atutum kakra. But players no say they are good with the Obuasi pitch and they would want to continue to play at Obuasi. That's the meeting no outcome a buy no from meeting after the young apostle game no. It is the next Kumasi Asante Kotoko game ebeba so ewo Obuasi no. It is going to be the outstanding league game versus Insua Treman. It is a Kotoko Brekum Chelsea bar. Monday ombeko Obuasi straight na omo akoboabo omo ho the other time no omo ye training only once which is Saturday and opano mu free Kumasi call Obuasi until Saturday enyumre which was around 4 to 5 p.m. and Asante Kotoko boys ekoye training ewo Obuasi Linkley Sports Stadium before the Young Apostles game no. But this time around the itinerary I'm having and say after Kwesiada game against Brekum Chelsea Kotoko ba Kumasi a obeko Obuasi. Oh, yes, obeko Obuasi. Oko Obuasi a no wakoye training 2 days before the game, which will be on Wednesday. So that's the arrangement. Mensa Eka from a deep truth source within the Asante Kotoko hierarchy. No? So the technical meeting, and penny for the technical team for no so Jitum say Obuasi is okay for them, and they look forward to improve on their performance have recently against Young Apostle in the Bekum Chelsea game. And only the outcome from the technical meeting a course so now Asante Kotoko ho na biom no ma memfa meeting bi nso akoso Ghana Football Association ma memfa no sanfama na mensenwura Kotoko tinedu nsensem no on say next month Ghana ebebo Sudan no abo Niger na AFCON qualifies Morocco no na the other say a likely say Ghana be kwa ball no Cote d'Ivoire and as Togo sa ye ne Ghana Ghana na ye no e kwan ye fa so telecast match na ye simple but this time ye no bi maso nti GF no aye meeting and onim say currently so Ghana nhye ni broadcast holder bi a oni GF adwuma nti omo nso akoye meeting about that. And almost weigh the options. Makato say Ghana for and I say Ghana ministry no. Empeso obejia to say chinchina game no. I will say a cobon outside Ghana. It's your mark of a car for. I'm a car for be inspect Accra any Cape Coast. I'm a car for no I indicate baby also moye. Inti any date that a year 23rd no by 7th. And I say it should be before 7th. So we are talking about maybe by 5th. Na stadium no, it meet the standard of car farm. Ombesa ma car for no abe inspection say meet ya no ma pass either Accra, Cape Coast die edwuma wo ho pa ntize no. Oma madwen say Accra no e na ompese nka omoye jaso na efa na nka yekobo no ho. But still na the plan B e wo ho say it should be either Cote d'Ivoire or Togo. And a kwan on mefa so a telecast game no so abeye omo headache because enye Ghana has say and only information kakra every Ghana Football Association ever. Now back to Asante Kotoko. Samuel Tinedu, according to information I can say, Coach Prosper Ogum, technical meeting a call so the issue of Samuel Tinedu cropped up, and it is reported, say coach, say the next game against Bekum Chelsea, match day 4, Obe Yusuno, inti Akoma Emra form. It is there have been assurance from the coach say Obe Yusuno. Na a kwan obe faso Yusuno there, a one ho. The call had been that Samuel a very good midfielder. Ohe Kotoko parting of play na si nya no mfimfin ho a ebeboa enti coach no age atum se obe use no enti me senior citizens Kotoko supporters are na e call for tinedu no. I think there is a positive breed of news ever said coach no sometimes you fall on to the pressure and you can say chinchina we chinchina etwan abrabom ni adekra no chinchina etwan enye. Sometimes the voice of the people is the voice of God. Inti sa wutia wa na yeden ebeboa. Yehu player a friend inti menu ene Michael Chidwamana partnership. But yen sheden hu Tinedu no partnership with either of the players. Sa inti Sunday, God willing, Bekum, it is likely the player what did this week but wa mobile Samuel Tinedu ebe feature against Brecum Chelsea. Na Brecum Chelsea for no ma warning pa. Unim say former club ya Santi Kotoko player Steven Amankona da so Brecum Chelsea. And ironically, ono na J Go King, the last league boy, you know. Or Jigo King, but unfortunately, your money din sa. Sibi ankwaji Go King ka price market no. The value the market ebe kosoro. So but unfortunately, Nidino akata kra yente nka. Ahead of Kotoko game yana matise all kasa se Kotoko pa momma na Kotoko ba ebeba bidi agu. Sene football sensem tie no eye saa tie maybe Kotoko ba nti also omo kasa na eduru a attendance omunya nipadom e wo stadium ho. But wo be hye Kotoko nti ma Kotoko ma ne de it is totally a braggart talk. Nti all brag matise all kasa pa and the CEO, yes, Brecum Chelsea Nana Jantua. And so I imagine say in the last 4 seasons, you know, Ghana Premier League, they bubu bia no more among top 4, top 5, top 6. This time around, no, they are not letting any chances slide. Omo daye cheap, on the Ghana league table, no. Kotoko 4 points, no, almost 4 points, and almost so outstanding. To say the yeah outstanding, no, almost so outstanding. Into Omabo currently 2 games, no more 4 points, and yes, you have 2 games and they all 4 points. You are outstanding. So you are outstanding against Insuatrema and almost so outstanding against I think Samates. Yes, Bibisa because almost so about Champions League. And that's the confirmation. Now games no outstanding games no. To say the American no Ebaso Nyambwa Wednesday. Enye echina Wednesday but echina na wotwe Wednesday na games no Ebaso. Tenedu is likely to start. There was an issue between Kotoko in-house players no regarding Tenedu issue no players ni bibufu ye but untimi mleme Tenedu ne supporters or more boase ene koyi placards e de be kire se ompeso start issues be by among Kotoko playing team no but enye serious issue bi anti no de me pese e be mana slide na yakoye nim but Kotoko reaction WhatsApp group no active so I de ifra no panyina me monitor utimi se Kotoko no eku amanfo unya join ya 0247 10 7260 get on board the indika subum ewo honso.